Good morning, students. Exercise 3.5. This will be available in the new edition book only. So, listen. Sum number 1. A garment shop announces a flat 50% on the every purchase of items for their customers. So 50% of every purchase means what is happening here? For you are buying for 100 rupees, they are giving 50% discount means they are giving what? 50 rupees. Remaining 50 rupees they are given. For each product, suppose you are buying 1000 rupees means they are given what? 500 discount for you. Suppose you are getting 200 rupees means they are given 100 rupees for you. That is 50% discount. What is the market price? Half of the price is the discount. That is the meaning. Draw the graph for the relation between the market price and the discount and hence find subdivision on the market price when the customer gets the discount 3500, 2050, 3250 rupees. Right? So the market price when the customer get the discount 3250 means what is the market price? Straightly we say the answer 6500. We are purchasing the rupees of 6500. We are getting half of the price is what? 3250 rupees. Then the discount when the market price is 2500. Market price 2500 means you are getting what? 1250 is the discount. Straightly we say the answer, but they want to draw the graph and we need to show in the graph sheet. So for this graph we are giving the 8 mark for this graph. So already we give the introduction for this graph, direct variation and indirect variation. So how we have to find the direct variation and indirect variation for this sum means, listen, market price. Here I am taking the 1000, I take straightly 1000 because they are asking 3250. You are getting the discount means what is the value for the market price? That is they are asking. So they are given 3000 above. So I take 1000 itself. So 1000 means we are getting the discount price what? 50%, 500. 2000 means 1000 half. 3000 means 1500. 4000 means 2000. Right? So like this we are getting the discount of market by 50% discount. So we draw one table. Market price we denote X and discount we have to denote Y. Right. So we have to find this one is given is direct or indirect variations. So how we have to find means, listen here X. X here means market price 1000, discount price 500. Right? Then market price 2000, discount is 1000. Market price 3000, discount is 1005. Market price is 4000, discount is 2000. So this is X I given, this is Y. Here market price 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000 increasing. Discount 5500, 1000, 1500, 2000. This also increasing. Both value will be increasing. X is increasing, Y also increasing. Like that we are having means that is called direct variation. Right? So from the table, this table how you are forming? By the question, by the given data, we draw this table because straightly they are given what? 50% discount for every purchase. 50% means whatever the value is, half of the 50% will be discount. For example, 100 means 50 rupees we are getting, 1000 means 500 we are getting, like that. So ourselves we find the data. So by the data from the table, X is increasing, Y also increasing. That is market price is increasing, discount also increasing. So therefore it is direct variation. we have to write in the examination point of view direct variation. For table, we have to form the table means 1 mark. Direct variation, we have to mention this direct variation for this 1 mark in the examination. Right. So, direct variation means formula is y equal to kx. This x we take here means y by x, k equal to y by x we return. This equal to y is what? 500. X is what? 1000. Here y is what? 1000. X is what? 2000. Here y 1005. X 3000. 2000 by 4000. So by the given data 0 0 cancelled, we are getting what? 2. That is 1 by 2 is the value for the constant k. Already I give the introduction of direct variation and indirect variation. So the constant term will be the standard constant, it will not change. So for this, if you are cancelling here means 1 by 2, here also 1 by 2, here also 1 by 2. So by the given data is constant value you are getting 1 by 2, right? So using this we have to draw the graph. How we have to use? This is x coordinate, we have 1000 means y coordinate 500, right? So we need to draw 1000 comma 500 like this. 1000 comma 500 coordinates 2000 comma 1000, right? And then 3000 comma 1005, then 4000 comma 2000. By using this coordinate values we have to plot the graph and we have to give the result for this subdivision. One is what they are asking: customer get the discount of 3250 when they getting this rupees, and then market price 2500 means you are getting the discount is what? That one we have to shown in, you want to shown in the graph, right? Now we see the graph. So now scale x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 500 units, y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 500 units. So we have to write the scale. For this scale 1 mark. See here y I am taking 500 units. So in taking 500, 1000, 1005, 2000, 2005. In this x-axis, y-axis what? 500, 1000, 1005, 2000, like this we are taking. So by the given question, the value is for 1000 comma 500. Here will be, we are having 1000, this is 500. So I plot the mark, and then 2000 means 1000, 2000 will be here, right? Then 3000 I taking means 1005, 4000 means 2000, 4000. So which one is the intersecting point of the 4000 and 2000? You have to mark like this, and then